Billy was in Mr. Larry's English class. Mr. Larry said there was going to be a spelling test. Mr. Larry meant to ask 5 questions, but in the end, he asked 20 questions. Billy spelt 19 words correctly. His only mistake was the word embarrassed. He thought it had 1 S and not 2. That spoilt it a bit, but he was still pleased with himself. What has just happened? Billy has been in Mr. Larry's class, and Mr. Larry has said that there was going to be a spelling test. He has meant to ask 5 questions, but in the end, he has asked 20 questions. Billy has spelt 19 words correctly. His only mistake has been the word embarrassed. He has thought it had 1 S and not 2. That has spoilt it a bit, but he was still pleased with himself. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some irregular verbs today, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.